In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the aspect ratio in Clipchamp quickly and correctly. Whether you're resizing your video for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, adjusting the aspect ratio properly is essential to make sure your content looks professional and fits perfectly on every screen. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along with ease. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing project that you're currently working on. Once your project is open, you'll see the main editing interface with your timeline at the bottom and the preview window at the top. Now, to change the aspect ratio, look at the area above the video preview window. You'll see the current aspect ratio displayed there, typically something like 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format for YouTube. Click on the aspect ratio drop-down menu located directly above the preview. When you click on it, a list of different aspect ratio options will appear. Clipchamp provides several preset ratios designed for different platforms. For example, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube and most horizontal videos. 9:16 is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You may also see 1:1 for square Instagram posts, 4:5 for vertical social media content, and other format options depending on updates. Simply click on the aspect ratio that matches the platform you're creating content for. As soon as you select it, your project canvas will automatically resize to match that new ratio. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. When you change the aspect ratio, your existing clips may not automatically fit perfectly within the new frame. If you switch from a horizontal format like 16:9 to a vertical format like 9:16, parts of your video may be cropped out. To fix this, click on any clip in your timeline, then adjust its size and position directly in the preview window. You can drag the corners to resize or reposition the video so the most important parts stay visible within the new frame. Take a moment to go through each clip in your timeline and make sure everything looks the way you want. This step is especially important if your video includes text overlays, graphics, or facecam footage that needs to remain centered. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the new aspect ratio, you're all set. From here, you can continue editing as normal or click the export button in the top right corner to download your video in your desired resolution. And that's it. That's how you change the aspect ratio in Clipchamp quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it makes a huge difference when optimizing your content for different platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.